Hey everyone, in today's video we will see how to pair Beat Studio 3. How to put Beat Studio 3 in pairing mode. How to put Beat Studio 3 in pairing mode. To put Beat Studio 3 in pairing mode, press and hold the power button for 5 seconds until the light begins flashing. This indicates that the headphones are in pairing mode and ready to connect with your device. How to pair Beat Studio 3. Connect with an iPhone or iPad. Go to Settings, then Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth and it will automatically scan for nearby devices. Find and tap Beat Studio 3 under other devices. Connect with an Android phone or tablet. Go to the Settings app on your phone or tablet, search for Bluetooth and toggle it on. Find and click Beat Studio 3 under available devices. Connect with the Mac or MacBook. Click the Apple menu and go to the system settings, then Bluetooth and then device. Turn on Bluetooth, select Beat Studio 3 under nearby devices and tap connect. With the Windows PC, search Bluetooth on your Windows search bar and click Bluetooth and other device settings. Click add device then Bluetooth. Select Beat Studio 3. Thanks for watching. If you find this video helpful, like it and share it with your friends. For more such helpful videos, subscribe to our channel.